Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to run your first Ansible ad hoc command. Okay, so I got CML opened and I got this topology. So I got R1, S1, and Ansible control or Ubuntu host connected to each other using a unmanaged S2. And these devices are or have connectivity to the outside world. So all of these are in the same subnet, as we can see by looking at their IP addresses. Okay, so let me go ahead and console into Ansible control node. So console, I'm gonna console into R1 also, open console, and S1 also. Okay, and let me check S1 IP address. Yeah, that's the IP address. So .26, correct. And R1 .24, yes. And Ansible IP .48. Okay, so let me clear the screen. So how to run your first Ansible ad hoc command? Of course, if you are going to use a Ansible ad hoc command, you need to verify that Ansible is installed. So Ansible is already installed, and you can verify that by using this command here. So Ansible -- version. Yeah, so it's already installed. And now I can use a ad hoc command by doing Ansible, and I actually have the command here. And actually, let me just explain the command here and just copy and paste this into the console on the Ansible control node. Okay, so I got Ansible. I'm specifying all, so meaning all the hosts, and -i meaning the list of hosts. And notice the trailing comma at the end, and -m, this is how you specify the module, and -a, this is how you specify the module argument, and -u, this is how you specify the username, and -k is how you specify, or that's how you make Ansible prompt for a password, and -c is for the connection method. So in this case, network CLI, and E means extra vars. So here, Ansible network OS, and we are specifying cisco.ios.ios. Okay, so let me actually go ahead and copy and paste this command just to save us some time. So I'm gonna paste. So it's gonna ask for a password. And we should see the output of the show IP interface brief of both devices. So this is, oops, let me just, yeah, so this is, let me just double check. So .24, yeah, this is the router, .24, and this is the switch. And we see the output of show IP interface brief. Let me maximize again. So that's how to run your first Ansible ad hoc command. Alright, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.